enough, enough,
enough, enough,
as much as or more than is wanted.
I've got enough work to do at the moment, without being given any more. Half an hour in his company is quite enough. Stop. You've made enough of a mess already.
Although it may seem strange.
Strangely enough, I was just speaking to him the other day.
Used for saying that you can understand and accept someone's opinion or decision.
He says he'll only work on Sunday if he gets paid extra. Fair enough. Container, 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 contain.
An object such as a box or a bottle that is used for holding something.
An airtight container. A plastic drinks container.
a trip, a trip,
Trip, trip,
To fall or almost fall because you hit your foot on something when you are walking or running.
careful you don't trip over the cat. He tripped on a stone and hurt his ankle. Deliberate, 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 deliberately.
Done intentionally or planned.
A deliberate attack or insult or lie. This was a deliberate attempt to mislead us. Absurd, absurd.
Very silly.
What an absurd explanation. Don't be so absurd. Of course I want you to come. It's an absurd situation. Neither of them will talk to the other.
real, real,
Real, real, reality, real, realistic, unrealistic, unreal, really, realistically.
Being the most important or the main thing.
The real problem, of course, is money. The real difficulty was the language, because my children don't speak English.
Used to emphasize a noun.
She was a real help. It's a real pain he's not available tomorrow.
Taken seriously, not pretended.
I thought it was just a practice, but apparently it was for real. Storage, 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 store.
When you put things in a safe place until they are needed.
We've had to build some cupboards to give us more storage space. Responsibility, 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 irresponsible, responsible.
Something that it is your job or duty to deal with.
The head of the department has various additional responsibilities. It is your responsibility to make sure that your homework is done on time. She takes her responsibilities as a nurse very seriously.
To say that you have done something or caused something to happen, especially something bad.
No one has yet claimed responsibility for yesterday's bomb attack. exclusive, exclusive, exclude, exclusive, exclusively,
expensive and only for people who are rich or of a high social class.
an exclusive club or hotel or shop, an exclusive part of town, replacement, replacement, place, replacement, displacement, place, replace, displace, misplace,
The thing or person that replaces something or someone.
the agency sent a replacement for the secretary who resigned. It's not going to be easy to find a replacement for you.
match, match,
Match, match,
A thin, wooden stick which produces a flame when you rub one end of it against a rough surface.
a box of matches,
tragic, tragic,
tragic, tragic, tragedy, tragic, tragically,
Very sad, often involving death and suffering.
her tragic death at the age of 36 shocked the world. He was killed in a tragic accident. Hospital authorities admitted that a tragic error had taken place.
foreign, foreign,
Foreign, foreign, foreigner, foreign,
Relating to or dealing with countries that are not your own.
foreign policy. The foreign minister,
shower, shower,
shower, shower,
To wash standing under a shower.
we all showered before breakfast. Monument, monument,
A structure that is built to make people remember an event in history or a famous person.
in the square in front of the hotel stands a monument to all the people killed in the war.